Hello girls and boys! Welcome to my new video in hands-on. How are you today? Well, I'm feeling fantastic, and in my last video I was thinking about the trees and we worked with leaves. So this week I'm gonna continue working with the nature. Can you see the picture in my top? They are flowers, yes. So today I want you to make with me some beautiful flowers. What do you need to make these beautiful flowers today? Some color paper. Okay, I have these color papers or these printed papers. They are so beautiful. Or even these scraps of paper that I have from another crafts I made before. If you don't have color papers, don't worry. You can decorate your paper with your wax crayons or watercolors or whatever you have in your house. Scissors, pencil, glue stick, and white glue, because this is gonna be very useful when we have to assemble all the flowers. The first step to make our flowers is to draw circles. To make great circles, you can find some objects in your house to make them. So I went to the kitchen and I found some lids. Okay, so I can draw circles with them. You have to find 4 different lids. One big, like your hand, and then another smaller, and then another smaller, and a smaller one. Okay, so they are 4 and they are different. When you have everything ready, we can start. I'm gonna use this paper to make the biggest circle. This beautiful printed paper to make the next size. I'm gonna use my own color paper to the next smaller circle, and this one to the smallest. Now it's time to cut them. Now that you have your circles, it's time to find the center of the circle. How we do this? Very easy. Just fold your circle like this. Unfold it and fold it again on the other side. Now you can see the cross. This is the center of the circle. You can make a little spot with your pencil. Now that you have your 4 circles with the center marked with your pencil, it's time to cut them in a shape of a flower. Don't worry if it's not perfect, just enjoy it. Look how I do it. Very easy. Just take off some parts of the edge. Now you must have 4 plain flowers, but I want them to look more realistic. So pay attention to the next step. and get your glue stick ready. Here comes an important step to make your flowers. It's time to take your scissors and use any of the corners of your flower and make a cut to the center. Okay? Now take the glue and put a bit of glue on the side. And now make a little fold and press. And you have a 3D flower now. Make the same with the other flowers. Now you have your 4 flowers like this, and save the biggest one for later. Now it's time to assemble the other 3 in a shape of a flower. It's time to assemble the flowers. I'm gonna put here my white glue because it's easier to me to use it with the paintbrush. Remember, the biggest one, save it for later. We are gonna use only the 3 other flowers. So let's start. Take the biggest of the 3, put some glue, and place the next size on top. Put glue again and place the last one, the smallest. You can fold the petals to make a nicer effect. I want something to decorate in the center of my flower, so I have some scraps with glitter, or you can use some cotton. We can make a circle, not perfect, it's okay. Or take a piece of cotton, make a little bowl, and put some glue again, and place it in the center. You can color the cotton if you want. Let it dry for 10 or 20 minutes until the glue is dried completely. And what are we going to do with the flowers? I'm gonna put those flowers in some wooden sticks. But you can use them to decorate whatever you want, like a box, a present, or a photo frame. Now that we have our flower dried, it's time to assemble it with the biggest one and the sticks. Look how I do it. Put some glue on the biggest flower, like this. Now, place the stick where the glue is. And now, put your flower on top. And press from the back side. Like this, in the center, okay? Now that we got it, I cut some leaves to decorate the stick. So I'm gonna put some glue on the leaves and I'm gonna put them in the middle of the flower. We finished! How were your flowers? I'm gonna show you now how I decorated my real pot with my real plant with my flowers made of paper. I hope you like it. And please don't forget to send me your pictures through my Instagram account, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody. I love you. My plant has no flowers, so I use my paper flowers to decorate the pot. It's so beautiful. you.